Hey everyone, so here is Remitly app. It's one of the top apps to send money internationally. So to install it on iPhone, just tap get here in the App Store and then just confirm with your Touch ID or password. And then then it will start installing. So it's only 67 megabytes, so you should have that free storage. But that's, I guess, not the issue. It has more than 400,000 ratings and 4.9 out of 5 reviews here. So that's pretty impressive. So you can safely send money to over 60 countries, including Philippines, India, Vietnam, Mexico, and also China. Um, and then, yeah, so that's the app. Let's just try to open it and see what involves to create an account and stuff. So yeah, then you can just sign in. You can also have support here if you have questions. So yeah, then you just need to select from which country you are sending. So you see here the list of countries from which you can send. So there are actually not that many, just some European countries, UK, US, Canada, and that's it. And Singapore. So yeah, you can Australia as well. So you can't send from that many countries, but you can send to as many countries as you want. I mean, okay, these are not like 193 countries, but yeah, something like that. So there you have it, and then you just proceed with creating an account.